Okay, alright, guess what now? Today I'm gonna make a video to show y'all how you install a two-way switch. So over on this side we have a three-way switch, which we have a black screw and two gold looking screw on each side. So we have one on this side, the next one on here. We have power coming right here. We have the ground right here. So we got 3 wires going from this switch right here coming over to this switch. So we got a power coming in. It's the power right here. So we got 2 wires coming from the power. We got a black and a white. So the black that's coming from the power, we're gonna put it to the black wire that's going over to this switch over here, to this black screw right here. And then the lights right here, we have 2 wires right here to the light. So we have the white that's coming from the light. It's gonna go to the white that's coming from the power, which is the neutral. Where you see I got a cap on it right here. So that's the neutral. And the red, hold on, I got let me take it out so you can see the red right here where I got to this black wire. So we got the black that's coming from the light right here. This goes to the black screw right here on the 3-way switch. And we got the 2 travelers right here going back to this 3-way switch over here. And that's how you got a 2-way switch. So let me put this back. So you basically could turn the lights on from this side. You come over here, you turn it off, come back over here again, you, turn it on, off again. So that's the way you install a 3-way or a 2-way switch. So that's my video today. Hope you enjoyed. See you in my next video.